Hi everyone, here's a little tour of the website that I created for this class. This is my home page. At the top I have the logo that I created for this class, and I tried to keep the color scheme pretty neutral, but I pulled in some of the green from the logo. I have a little home decor craft business, and I make and sell things at several local craft shows and markets throughout the year. So the purpose of this site is to showcase some of my work, give information about upcoming shows, and sell things from it as well. Here's a little information about some of the things that I make. I do a lot of custom pillows. I do floral design, wreaths, wood signs, and then I repurpose things and refinish furniture as well. I added a few pictures of some of the things that I've made for fall, some of the pillows, and a little shot of part of our booth at the market. And then I added a few quotes or reviews that people have left that have shopped from us in the past. For my blog, I only have a couple posts so far. I would like to blog maybe about seasonal home decor trends and things like that, but right now I have a little information about the fall market that we do every year, and some photos of inside our booth. And then we also do a Christmas show every year, so I posted some information about that. Here's a sample of some of the signs that I made for that show, and then a few pictures inside of our booth from last year. I have the sidebar here with the email subscription and a little information about me, as well as the Instagram slider. And then for my contact page, I get a lot of people asking for custom work, so this would be a good place for people to request information or pricing about that. And then I left the sidebar on this page as well. And then for my portfolio, right now I just have the photos from the fall and Christmas markets, so people can click on those and see those photos there as well. And then for the store, I've added a few of the pillows that I've made in the past, but I would love to, right now I'm working on making a lot of the Christmas pillows, so I would love to add those on here as well as maybe some of the smaller home decor items that I make. So that's it. For now, I have learned a lot from this class and I have really enjoyed it. I have never created a website using WordPress before, so there was a little bit of a learning curve. Sometimes it was difficult to figure out how to make it do exactly what I wanted it to do, but I'm really excited about everything that I've learned, and I'm excited to keep using that to build this website even more, as well as use that knowledge to create other websites in the future. So thanks for watching the video.